I have been fascinated by Armenian history and culture for a very long time. One of the places I've always wanted to visit is the Monastery of Lake Sevan, or Sevanavank as it's known in local Armenian. The monastery is quite significantly linked to the start of early medieval Armenian history and the unique tradition of Armenian monasticism. And in recent history, there had been some interesting and controversial events that surrounded this monastery when Armenia was a part of the USSR. So I hopped on a plane from Tokyo to Yerevan to visit this magnificent monument, and here is how it was. Hey guys, so we are at this lake called Sevan, and we're probably gonna fly at the drone and see how it's like flying drone here in Armenia. Oh my god. It's quite hot here. What are we doing?
Now we go and sit.
Ship. We're gonna go to the boat actually. We're gonna go and what is this? Tell them.
It's Sevanavank, Monastery of Sevan,
Okay.
Lake Sevan.
We came to this church by the lake. It's also by the name of Sevan, the Church of Sevan. I'm climbing up. Sevanavank consists of two churches, Surp Arakelos, meaning the Holy Apostles, and Surp Astvatsatsi, meaning the Holy Mother of God. The complex was originally located on an island in Lake Sevan, but under orders from Stalin, the infamous Soviet dictator, water was drained from one side of the island, turning it into a peninsula where Sevanavank stands today. So guys, we're almost there. Very thirsty at the moment. Here's the church. Sevan, the Church of Sevan. Honestly speaking, the view from here is really good. So why is Sevanavank so relevant to Armenian history? Sevanavank was built in 874 AD on the then island of Lake Sevan by Princess Maryam, daughter of King Ashot I of Bagratuni Dynasty. You see, prior to King Ashot I, Armenia was ruled by Arab Caliphate. It was Ashot I who won back Armenia from the Abbasids and laid the foundation of the first medieval kingdom of Armenia. Sevanavank was the first of many monastic complexes built by Ashot and his successors. This rise in monastic complexes across Armenia from 9th century onwards marks the emergence of independent Armenian kingdoms and a sharp decline of Arab influence in the region. Get down and find my guide and go to the next place. Cheers. Talk to you soon. Bye.